For all my new gardeners out there, these right here, well, those right there, those are called grubs. They are not your friends, guys. They come to destroy. So I had a tomato plant in here, and I was wondering why it stopped growing. And I pulled it up and went to amend the soil, and these little busters were in there. Look at him. Just smash him. Just disgusting. So guys, if you're wondering why your plants were growing and something is going on, they're starting to wilt, or they're just not growing anymore and they don't have any diseases, check your plants, because you never know what's going on underneath in the inside. Everything that you want to eat, something wants to eat it also. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And until I see you guys again, you know what time it is. Peace.